let's make bacon grilled cheese. First things first, you'll need butter on the bread, which is kind of taking like a day to start. All right. Yeah, I do need help with this. Hold on. So one bread is in the pan right now, and now we got some special stuff right there. Magic. This is overcooked bacon for the bacon grilled cheese. I hope you like it and subscribe for this. Sorry about that. I was just standing there. Now you take the overcooked bacon. Like, I don't know how to do this, but oh, give me a moment. Now that's done. Now we need to do is, what was it again? Now we just gotta wait before it cooks. As to let you know, with the fully cooked bacon, you can get this from the store if you want. And if you like this, let me know. Let's spend time. Cheesy and greasy. It's getting there. Served of bacon grilled cheese with a slightly amount of pulls of cheese. And by the way, it's so cheesy as the top 10. All right, our bacon grilled cheese. Let's try it out and see it. Let's go see what the cheese pull. Hold on. All right, let's go. It's almost fully percent grilled cheese, but let's try it out and see how it tastes. Now that's cheesy. 10 out of 10. And if you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe because this is the best of them all. Oh my god, I like this. That's so good. Cheesy Louise. Alright. Like and subscribe, everyone. Subscribe.